If you're seeing Steam error 130, that usually means Steam is failing to load a web page. In simple terms, Steam can't properly reach the servers it needs to show the store, library, or community pages. The good news is that this is usually caused by a proxy, DNS issue, or a corrupted web cache, and you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to resolve Steam error 130 safely and quickly. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first fix is to disable automatic proxy detection in Windows, because Steam often gets stuck when Windows tries to find a proxy that doesn't exist. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, then type inetcpl.cpl and press enter. This opens the Internet Properties window. From here, go to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. In the LAN Settings window, look for Automatically Detect Settings and uncheck it. If you see Use a proxy server for your LAN, uncheck that too, but only if it's enabled. After that, click OK to save the changes. Now close out of the windows and restart Steam to see if the error is gone. If Steam error 130 is still showing up, the next step is to flush your DNS and reset your network settings. A lot of users run into this because of stale DNS entries or a network cache that no longer matches Steam's servers. To do this, click the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press enter. This resets the Windows network socket catalog and can clear out hidden connection problems. Once that's done, restart your computer so the changes fully take effect. Now let's clear Steam's web cache, because if the built-in browser cache is corrupted, Steam can refuse to load anything web-based at all. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click In-Game and look for Delete Web Browser Data. If you see the option to clear browser cache or cookies, go ahead and remove that data. This can fix pages that are stuck loading or displaying an error. If that doesn't solve it, there's also a manual cache cleanup method. First, fully exit Steam. Make sure it's not running in the background. Then press Windows key plus R again. Type %localappdata %\Steam and press Enter. Inside that folder, look for the Htmlcache folder and delete it. This removes the stored web data that may be causing Steam error 130. After deleting it, reopen Steam and test the store or community page again. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the problem. In most cases, disabling proxy detection and flushing DNS is enough to get Steam working again. If not, clearing the web cache usually finishes the job. If the error is gone, you're all set and ready to use Steam normally again. If this video helped you fix Steam error 130, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.